Huawei is staging a remarkable comeback, and after the tremendous success of the Huawei Mate 6 Pro a few months back, brace yourself for their upcoming flagship, the Huawei P70 series. This lineup comprises three models: Huawei P70, P70 Pro, and the P70 Pro Art Edition. According to industry insiders and analysts, these phones are anticipated to be in high demand with a planned launch in the first half of the year. Huawei has set an ambitious goal of selling approximately 15 million units, which is three times more than the Huawei P60 series. Now let's delve into the camera game, a realm where Huawei's P series has always shone. The standard P70 is expected to feature a 5-lens setup, including a 1x3.6 telephoto sensor. Stepping up the game, the P70 Pro boasts a 6-lens configuration and a 1x2.5 telephoto sensor. But the real showstopper is the Art Edition, breaking new ground with a groundbreaking 1G6 lens and a 1x1 sensor, a world's first. This unique lens promises extraordinary photo quality and has the potential to set a new industry standard. All three phones will be equipped with the latest chipset, offering 5G connectivity, effectively addressing a significant concern from the past. With these exciting enhancements, Huawei is poised to leave a lasting impression on the global market. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, peace out.